Good afternoon all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Heni sauw. I'm from Polytechnic Negeri Kupang. The purpose of my presentation is Community Economic Empowerment Model in Utilizing Local Potential in the Village of Besmarak, Kupang District. Introduction. Our country has different local potential both in terms of human resource and natural resource as well as different ways of managing them. However, if this potential is not managed properly, it is meaningless at the local level because the community's ability to manage and utilize this resource optimally is still low. Besmarak village is a village that has abundant natural resource potential, where many coconut plants can be processed into economically valuable product. One of the products that can be developed makes virgin coconut oil, which is more beneficial than ordinary coconut oil. However, it is not an easy thing to make people aware of the abundant potential to learn to manage VCO for the sake of improving the community economy. Literature review. Local resources are things that is in our local area or locally which can be used to achieve a common goal. It can be said that a resource must have two criteria. The first is that there must be knowledge, technology, or skill to use it. Second, there is a demand for this resource. Locality-based empowerment is a process of effort to strengthen community capacity by directing assets in the local community to meet their needs. Efforts to use local resources that exist in the local environment are used as method or learning resource from empowering rural. Community empowerment, defined as a process of developing opportunities, willingness, or motivation, and the ability of people to have access to resources, thereby increasing their capacity to determine their own future by participating in influencing and realizing the quality of life for themselves and their communities. Community economic empowerment implies the economic development of the majority of Indonesians as the main agenda for national development, so that concrete steps must be taken so that the economic growth of the community takes place quickly. Method. This research is classified as a field research which aims to collect data and information about certain problems regarding the life of the people that are the object of research. In this study, the authors used a qualitative approach to identify problems related to community economic empowerment model in exploiting local potential. Results and discussion. The states of empowerment carried out by community empowerment pioneers, in this case the village government and large village facilitator, in optimizing local potential are: 1. Awareness stage. At this stage, the village government and the facilitators meet the residents and try to invite the community to make people aware of their potential and try to develop it. Even so, the responses received from the community were not all positive. 2. Capacity building. At this stage, the community is given training in the form of mentoring and coaching, such as entrepreneurship, management training, production skill, equipment assistance, capitalizations, and it is seen that more and more residents are willing to learn to make visio. Even the village government continues to help and foster them, as well as provide moral and material assistance so that they can continue to optimize their existing potential. 3. Empowerment. Some of the efforts made by various parties to optimize resource potential have been embedded in the community of Bismarck village. They started to dare to be independent and slowly started their own visio production business. Researches with the village government and village community empowerment facilitator regarding the skills provided to optimize the potential of existing resources through the manufacture and marketing of virgin coconut oil. The people of Bismarck village have been in the business of making virgin coconut oil for a long time. Currently, almost all people in Bismarck village are producers of virgin coconut oil. The response from the community had a positive impact because this effort was greatly helped. The model community economic empowerment is knowledge, skill, motivation, and coaching. Economic empowerment, awareness, building capacity, and empowerment. Local potential, wealth of natural resource. And then, village community, human resource, and stakeholder. Thank you very much.